about Unbreakable, directed by May Sazarina Cruz. Let's include the writers and the star actors. I will only include four actors. Angelica Panganiban as Dina, Bia Alonso as Mariel, Richard Gutierrez as Justin Saavedra, Ian Veneracion as Ben. The genre of this movie is comedy, drama, and romance. It was released on December 6, 2019. It can be watched on YouTube by ABS-CBN Star Cinema. I will just put the link in the description. This movie is about friends. Marielle and Dina were friends when they were in college. Their friendship will go through many problems. Will this friendship survive the test of love and loyalty to each other? If you want to watch age 5 or below 5 or higher 5, such as those who are 16, you still need parental guidance. There are some videos that children cannot watch without their parents. I will show the trailer.
Girl code. Hindi lalaki ang makakasira sa atin. Walang makakasira sa atin.
Ikaw ba ay nalulungkot?
Ang sarap, diba?
Maraming hilig sa mundo.
May bukol daw kasi. Kapain mo lang dito, oh.
Ayaw ko na. Tinan mo yung sarili mo. You're crazy. You're a nagger.
You don't get to break up with my best friend because she is dumping you.
Pwede ba ipahinga mo muna yung puso mo? Pahirapan mo naman sila ng konti. Huwag ka masyadong paabot.
Ayoko din man masyado yung mataas katulad mo at hindi na maabot. Hi, nice to meet you finally. Hello.
Hold my hand.
Welcome to the family, Dina. Finally, meron ng pagkakabalan si Kuya aside from work.
Grabe, no? Parang dati, pinipilit mo pa si Mama na amponin ka para maging magkapatid tayo. Tapos ngayon, magiging totoong kapatid na kita.
Okay lang ba sa'yo?
I just can't leave it all behind. How can I turn back the time?
Di na ako masaya.
Mag-usap tayo. Hindi, tigil-tigil lang mo yung bait-baitan acting mo. Nakakapagod. Magpakatotoo ka.
Masama yung loob ko kasi wala na akong kaibigan. Kasi nag-iba ka.
We can just leave it all.
Star Cinema proudly presents
Can we turn
a story of an unconditional love tested by an unforgivable sin.
Bakit kanya tinatawagan?
Mariel, please! Mariel.
We can just leave it all behind.
Unbreakable.
Can we turn back?
Film by May Cruz Alviar.
Won't be
November 27 in cinemas.
it's worth the try. We
For me, I can recommend it to people who love comedy, drama, and romance. This movie had a part that made me cry because I remembered my old friends. This movie can teach many lessons to those who have friends or circle of friends. If you have a circle friends or your friends, you should always strengthen your friendship because it's only once you find a friend with your vibes that you'll be nafty or whatever. Like Marielle and Dina, their friendship became strong but they had a problem that could not be solved and became a big obstacle in their friendship and they could no longer understand each other. Always choose your friends over your boyfriend or girlfriend because they are there for you always. And never trade them for anything material things.